and adoption is everything. If they can build a strong network, ASM could be a winner, but it's a long-term, high-risk play. I'd want to see major partnerships and real user growth before investing heavily. Now let's get technical with a crypto infrastructure project. Caldera, ERA, is building roll-up-as-a-service infrastructure for launching custom Layer 2 blockchains. Their tech helps developers scale apps on Ethereum, making transactions faster and cheaper. Think Shopify for blockchains. Easy, powerful, and customizable. The ERA token could be used for fees, staking, and governance. But this is a B2B play. Their success depends on attracting developers to build on their platform. Competition is fierce, with big names like Optimism and Arbitrum already established. The tech landscape is evolving fast, so there's a risk Caldera's approach could be leapfrogged. This is a high-risk, high-reward bet for advanced crypto investors who understand the space. For most, it's probably too technical and speculative. Finally, let's talk about privacy in crypto. In today's digital world, privacy is becoming more important than ever. Every click, every message, and every transaction leaves a trail of data that can be tracked, analyzed, and sometimes even exploited. HOPR is tackling this challenge head-on by building a decentralized privacy network, a sophisticated mixnet designed to hide your online activities metadata and keep your digital footprint truly private. Most people think that encrypting their data is enough to stay safe online. But even if your messages or transactions are encrypted, the metadata, details like who you talk to, when you communicate, and where you're located, can still be exposed. This metadata can paint a surprisingly detailed picture of your life, habits, and relationships, making it a goldmine for advertisers, hackers, and even governments. HOPR's solution is to route your internet traffic through a series of independent nodes, each operated by different people around the world. By bouncing your data through multiple hops, it becomes nearly impossible for anyone to trace the origin, destination, or content of your activity. This approach is inspired by the concept of mixnets, which have been studied for decades but are now being brought to life on a global scale. To make this network sustainable, HOPR uses its own token to incentivize people to run these nodes. Node operators are rewarded with HOPR tokens for relaying traffic, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem where privacy is not just a feature, but a shared responsibility and a community-driven effort. The potential use cases for HOPR are vast. It can help protect sensitive blockchain transactions, shield journalists and activists from surveillance, and enable businesses to keep their communications confidential. In a world where data leaks and privacy breaches are becoming more common, tools like HOPR are essential for anyone who values digital freedom and security. Of course, building a privacy